Songbird, it's Kerri Ho from thesongbird.com, where we get grounded, take flight and sing. And today, I can't wait to show you 2 incredible tricks on how to find your powerful high voice. Now, if you've always wanted the confidence to sing in front of others and to perform with confidence, I really encourage you to sign up to my free lessons down below where I give you 7 singing hacks. You're gonna absolutely love it. Okay, on to the lesson. Head voice is the higher part of your range. It is the part of your voice which sits above your speaking voice, kind of up here. Right, and that's why we wouldn't speak there, because it would be a little weird. Now, head voice will feel a little lighter and floatier. It is activated by the cricothyroid muscle or the CT muscle. Without training, it can sound a little weak and breathy, but with correct training, you will learn that your head voice can be very powerful. So one fantastic way to actually access your head voice is through the way you speak. Now, one of the things that I love to experiment with is speaking as if I'm super excited, like, oh my goodness, really? See, that really helps me to get into the higher part of my range, which is a great way to first access your head voice. Or you might want to pretend to speak like a whiny kid. Go to school today, right? Or maybe you might even try making some funny sounds as if you are a night owl. Hoo, 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 hoo. Or maybe going back to what we were talking about before about being very excited, what about being extremely excited as if you are on a roller coaster? Whee! Or woohoo! So there you go. There are some fun ways in which you can actually start just accessing your head voice. And what you will find is that you've actually got a very strong head voice already as you just try and access it with those funny ways. So have fun with that. Building clarity and ease. Now, one of my favorite exercises to help you get started with this is the Mary Poppins Yoo-Hoo. So, I want you to pretend that you are Mary Poppins. You know the character Mary Poppins. She's very posh and sophisticated, and she says things like, "Spit spot, yoo-hoo, yoo-hoo." All right, say that with me. Yoo-hoo, yoo-hoo. Okay, now with that same feeling of the way you spoke that out like Mary Poppins, I now want you to sing this exercise. It goes like this. Yoo-hoo, yoo-hoo. So practicing that exercise will help you to get a really good head start on building that necessary clarity and ease that you've always wanted on your journey towards a powerful head voice. All right, before you go, Songbird, please make sure that you give this video a like and also subscribe to the channel for more videos. And I want to know, which of the exercises to access your head voice did you like the most? Please write it in the comments below because I would love to know. Now, if you haven't already, make sure you go and download my free resource, my 7 singing hacks. You're absolutely going to love it. And until next time, know that I am always believing in you. So get out there, get grounded, take flight and sing.